When I talk to people about generating income through affiliate marketing, I often hear the three same objections. It's saturated, it takes ages, and I don't know where to start. So in today's video, I'm calling bullshit on all of this, and I'm going to be showing you people with zero authority ranking for juicy affiliate terms. I'll also be showing you how to find them and how to use that information for your own profit and to make money with affiliate without authority yourself. But before I do, I have two quick announcements to make. If you like these videos, please give them a thumb up and subscribe and click on the notification bell. They take a long time to make, so if you want more, just make me believe I'll be the PewDiePie of SEO someday. Second, Authority Hacker Pro, our most advanced elite training, is coming back on Sunday, October the 18th, 2020. It's going to be a big, eventful launch, and we're going to be announcing several things, so make sure that you are subscribed to this channel for notifications and that you are on our email list. You can go on authorityhacker.com/pro for more information about Authority Hacker Pro when it's available. But for now, let's get started with the video. Before I actually show you the method in the field, I want to explain to you how it works and why it works. You see, when you're an affiliate and you are promoting an affiliate offer, you are often linking to a tracking domain that's set up either by the affiliate network or the company that owns the affiliate program. This tracking domain is usually a separate website, a separate domain that is only used for the purpose of tracking affiliate traffic and attributing to the affiliate, and then redirects to the right store or product page so that people can actually buy the product. So for example, when you are using the Amazon's Associates program, when you are getting a short link from the Associates toolbar on top when you're logged in, you get a link to amzn.to. When someone clicks on that link, they eventually get redirected to amazon.com, but you are linking to that different tracking domain. Now that we understand that part of the equation, let's look at the other side, which is going to be the SEO tracking tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, Majestic, etc. These tools basically crawl the web and resell their information to SEOs, keyword information and link information usually. And in order to build their index, they crawl the links that they find on random web pages and just keep following the links on the next page they find, and again and again and again until they've crawled the entire discoverable internet. And when they crawl the internet, they often bump into these affiliate links / tracking domain links, and they treat these domains exactly the same as every other domain in their database, which means that all the links to these domains are part of the link data that these tools make available to their customers. Why does that matter, you're going to tell me? Well, you remember how I told you that Amazon uses amzn.to as a tracking domain? If you put that domain in Ahrefs, you will find that this is a DR94 domain with 425 million links from 694,000 domains. And all of these linking domains are more or less successful Amazon's Associates websites. Most importantly, if you use the Ahrefs backlink report, you will be able to filter the domains by authority, search traffic level, content type, language, etc. And this allows you to dig very useful information out of this sea of affiliate sites. For example, you can find low authority sites with a lot of search traffic that promote Amazon Associates products quite easily. And I'm going to be showing you that in a second, but there is more. You remember how I told you that almost all affiliate programs work with tracking domains or tracking subfolders? Well, you know what that means, right? This tactic works with all affiliate programs. Carousel? Yep. CJ? You got it. Any random iDev affiliate program? Absolutely. If you put any tracking domain into Ahrefs, you can find pretty much all the sites that promote the affiliate program and then filter them using all the interesting metrics that you have available to you. And to make your job even easier if you want to do this, I've actually made a list of popular tracking domains available in the description below if you want to go and explore it yourself. Alright, so now that I got your mind bubbling with ideas and I got you a little bit excited, how can we use that information for something that actually matters in terms of your progress in your online marketing journey? Well, I'm going to be showing you 3 real-life examples of how I'm going to be using this to find interesting things. And the first use case for this tactic is niche research. If you want to find niches that don't require a lot of authority or link building that you would probably not have thought of before, this method is gold. Let's actually do this in practice. Let me throw the Amazon tracking domain into Ahrefs. I'm then going into the backlink report and filtering the results for pages over 100 organic traffic, 1 perlink domain, and English blogs. And I end up with 8,300 blogs. I will then order them by increasing DR so that the lowest authority websites show up on top. You will probably need to be a little bit patient for this because Ahrefs need to filter a lot of domains for these queries, and it's quite frequent for it to take 1 or 2 minutes per filtering action for me. And then I just manually scroll the list and go shop for seemingly interesting websites. Here is a few interesting niches that I found using this method just now. One, the criticove.com, they are a DR0 site with almost 12,000 organic traffic on Ahrefs. They're about critter pets, so like, lizards, etc. And yeah, it seems to be growing really fast. And it just got started, and even with no authority, they're doing quite well already on search. The second one I found was knifeuser.com. They're a site about knives. They're DR 0.9, so almost 1, but it's very, very low. And they have already 20,000 plus traffic in Ahrefs. So it's looking like an actual good niche that I would not have thought of if I didn't use that method. The second use of this tactic is going to be finding keywords that you have a shot at in competitive niches, or finding keywords that help you promote a specific offer that's already making you some money. And this one should be fun. So let's imagine, for example, that I want to drive traffic to SEMrush. After all, they pay 40% recurring commissions. 40%? Why the hell am I promoting Ahrefs? I mean, how much do they pay us for all the free content we do promoting them? Mark, how much do they pay us?
Let me look into it.
3 hours later.
So for new sales, they pay us absolutely zero.
Great. So I'm grabbing my SEMrush affiliate link and shit. Looks like I was wrong. Their affiliate link is a direct link to domain. How am I going to make this work? Well, if you look at that domain, they are using a UTM parameter, which is a universal way to track where the traffic comes from. And one important parameter in the URL string is the source equals brush, which is their affiliate program. So the good news is I actually can filter for that in Ahrefs. So I just throw semrush.com in the site explorer, and then I throw in my brush UTM parameter in the include box and select URLs of backlinks, and ta-dam, we have the pages promoting SEMrush as an affiliate. From there, I can apply the usual filters, traffic, blog, English, and order by DR, and look at the... Wait. This can be... Where is Matthew Woodward? Where is Niche Pursuits? Where is Robbie Richards? All these guys are heavily promoting SEMrush, and I don't see them in my list. Did Ahrefs fail me? Should I switch to SEMrush? So many questions. Let's investigate. I'm going to Google right now and typing SEMrush review. I know it's a big affiliate keyword, and well, Matthew Woodward is here, just who I was looking for. Let's check his page. Yep, he has affiliate CTRs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab his affiliate link and throw it into a redirect analyzer because he shortened his links, and aha, his affiliate URL is not a brush URL. He has a custom landing page, which is semrush.com/partner/Matthew Woodward. And that seems to be some kind of premium affiliate program for their biggest affiliate. But what would you bet that all the partner pages are on semrush.com/partner? Let's see. Yep, when I throw this URL into the Ahrefs Site Explorer, I get 364 domains pointing to partner pages, and I have all of them right here. Custom landing pages are frequent for high-paying offers, so this is a situation that you will potentially encounter if you're doing that kind of research, and that's how you deal with this. From there, I can apply my usual filters, blog, English, 100 traffic, and then scroll through the list to find angle I might not have covered that allow me to promote that high-paying offer. For example, I found this similar web alternative angle, which has good search volume, and it's easy to promote SEMrush there. And there's also that site morebusiness.com that just teaches how to make a marketing plan, and I guess putting some search data in there that is extracted from SEMrush is a good idea, so I could probably promote them from there. Not bad, huh? And the third and final way to use this tactic is basically an extension of what we've done so far. And that is extending your competitors list with interesting websites that take unique angles and get good results in search. All good marketers should have a competitors list that they can then just analyze and research when they need to create new content and find new ways to get traffic to their site. So for example, that knife site that I found earlier, by analyzing Amazon, I found them for a page that has about 500 search traffic, which is cool. But if they did this well, there's a good chance that they're also doing well on other pages, and I probably want to look into that. So if I put them in the Site Explorer and look at the top pages, whoa, that top page gets over 2,000 traffic for a keyword I would never have come up with myself. And I wouldn't have found this by typing knives in a keyword tool either. 7CR17MOV is a page that generates 2,000 traffic. And they have a lot of other interesting pages that I would probably have missed with other keyword research tactics because they are so low authority in the first place. And that is a real goldmine for low authority keyword research that will actually give you topics that will make you money early on as an affiliate. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope I got you excited to find easy affiliate keywords and affiliate niches using this method. If you enjoy this kind of content, please smash the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell to not miss any of our future videos. There's a lot more where it comes from. And if you want a lot more of this kind of content, well, you are in luck because Authority Hacker Pro, our most advanced training, is coming back this Sunday, the 18th of October 2020 for a limited time. We have a lot of big surprises coming up during this launch, so make sure you sign up for the email notifications on authorityhacker.com/pro so that you don't miss any of these big announcements. And that's basically it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you in the next video.